You had to have known this was coming. I did it on the Grom, I did it on the Z125. Now it's time to do it on the Monkey, the top speed run. Okay, about the bike, 2019 Honda Monkey, banana yellow in color, completely stock. Nothing's been changed on it whatsoever. We're gonna go over here and do a top speed run on it on a short stretch of highway. I'm 6 foot tall, weigh 185 pounds. The wind is blowing from the west to the east, so I'm only gonna do this one way. I'm not gonna do this two ways like I did on my Grom because it'd be pointless. I have a sneaking suspicion that this bike is a little bit faster than my Grom, even though it's only got about 250 miles on it. But I'm thinking it's a little bit faster. We're gonna run over here to the highway and find out. Now I have my GoPro Hero 5 hooked up right there, pointed at the speedometer. Been using it to get actual GPS readings to compare to what the factory speedometer is reading. So here we go. I won't really be tucking on this bike. There's just not much room for it because the handlebars, the way they sit up, a little bit higher than the Grom. I'll do as much as I can though. Indicated speed is already 63 miles an hour. I'm not even in a draft. I can't believe I'm going to have to actually slow down. Yep, I think my suspicions were true. This little bike is faster than a Grom. I'm actually gaining on this Ford in front of me, letting back off. Now granted, I do have a tailwind, but it's not that much, maybe 10-15 miles an hour. But it might be making all the difference in the world. I am easily sitting behind this car doing 60 miles an hour. To get on this off-ramp to kind of... I can't believe this. Alright, now just for kicks, I'm going to go back, loop back around and do that again. See if I can't do it without being behind somebody. Because I'd really like to know if that draft from that car was affecting this bike that much. It seemed to me like it climbed up to 55 real quick. And it sat there comfortably at 58 to 60 on the speedometer. It just sat there. I wasn't even full throttle on it, so I'm going to go back around and try that again. So we'll be right back. Alright, here we go. Looks like we're going to have the on-ramp. Not to ourselves, but at least we'll be out in front. So here we go. We'll have run number 2. This won't be affected by the draft of another car in front of me this time. Into 4th gear. Alright, tucking in a little bit here. Looks like we're clear. Look at that. I'm not really tucked all the way, but I'm tucked down a bit. Throttle's pinned all the way. 65 indicated on the speedometer. .66 indicated. Wow. This is just blowing my mind right now. On a side note, that bump that I just went over back there about scared the shit out of me. The bike got a little wiggly. Wow. Oh boy. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The 2019 Honda Monkey is in fact faster than a Honda Grom with a 14-tooth front sprocket on it. Wow. I'm kind of blown away, speechless right now. You wouldn't think that the bike, being so new and only having 250 miles on it, that it would be faster than a Grom, which is fully broken in. But maybe it just depends on which day they built the bike. So apparently I got a pretty good one. Color me impressed. On that note, everybody ride safe. Take it easy. Have a good one.